Well, g'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. And here we are today. We've just coming into Deloraine in Tasmania, Australia, and it's the All Holden Day Rolling Road Show. So we're just on our way into Deloraine now at the moment there, and we'll get to the end of the bridge and hopefully we'll see all of these awesome Holdens that don't get made anymore in Australia or anywhere else, as a matter of fact. So hang on and hold on for the Holdens coming. Right folks, here we go, we're about to start.
You go, mate.
Not bad, mate, yourself?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, there we go, what a way to start off the video. LH Torana 2-door hatchback. Got another one here, we've got the Commodore. Just make sure I don't get run over here. Any cars going down the road. Get another Commodore here. Some cracking vehicles here today. Yeah, one of these beasts here, I used to have one of these. Unfortunately I don't have one anymore, but not a lot of them around anymore. It's a beautiful VK, HDT, Holden dealer team. Peter Brock, Group A. Beautiful, mint condition, looking great, awesome. And across the road there we've got a VL Commodore. VL Commodore there. I'm just waiting for the traffic and we can go across so we don't get run over. Another beauty in red, fast car.
Thank you.
Gorgeous looking machine. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice little HJHZ HX Holden Ute. Now all of these, you know, on the old Lesnies and your mass boxes like there, remember these Holden Utes? Well, there's a real one. There's another one going by. Another beautiful EH there. GDS Monaro. Beautiful A9X. Torana. Looking absolutely fantastic. Look at that Commodore. Have a look at these. Check these out. Absolutely magic today. Cracker weather. It's not too shiny. Go back again. Another beautiful car, another beautiful Monaro. V-set Commodore Ute. Yeah, look at this. There's another HJXZ. The Sandman stripes on it, the GDS look. Beautiful Western Commodore, SS Commodore. So about that folks. Have a look at this. Oh, well, that isn't that magic, eh? Absolutely cracker. Peter Brock replica, the looks of that there. Listen to the grunt in it. Eh? Magic. Coming down here. Another Monaro. Call those a GDO Pontiac over in the US, that blue Monaro that just went past. Little LJ Torana, pink and white, beautiful. Another LC. Comes another GDS Monaro. Beautiful. Holdens and Holdens. Just all Holden. Beautiful. Alrighty. We'll go down to the next bed. There we go, another Commodore. Done up. Nice job. Another VL Calais. Holden Commodore. Another one up here. Beautiful. Have a look at this machine here. Let's see what we've got hiding out in this bonnet. Have a look at that. Oh, fun and games there. Tell you. Beautiful looking.
They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah, they're awesome. There's a beautiful car. Well, there they go. Missed a few of them. Won't miss that beast though. Look at that. And across there. There we go. They're all on their way now, they're all moving off, they're all the way heading to Launceston now. So, sorry about the other ones coming in, that's what happens on a rolling roadshow. Unfortunately, we can't miss those little bits and pieces. Beautiful little pink SU1. Well, the four-door sedan done up like one, so it's alright.
Fiona's too.
Here they go. Here comes another GDS Monaro. Here comes one of our, here comes our friends, best friends in our family there. The whole HJ wagon. Woo! HZ wagon it was too, not a HJ. Oh, that one there's short off, he's not going to Launceston. Let's hope this HT Monaro does. Whoa. A few more coming. Here's another Holden ute. Nice little SLR Tirana sitting over there in white. The black paint out's coming along. Sounding pretty sweet and all. Sounding awesome. Here you go. VB Commodore. First of the Commodores. VH, no, VC there. So we had the V and the B and the C there. Beautiful, look at them all. I got one of those at home that just went past the white one, except for mine's blue. You know, the pickup yet, the one looking up this street. Hey, there's a lot of fun there. Another Commodore, we got an LL Tirana in there. He's having a bit of fun. Just got to make sure that the blue lights aren't around. There we go. I used to have 4, 5 of these. Beautiful little GDR Tirana. Here we go. Another Monaro. Another Commie. Some beautiful cars coming around today. It was well worth the drive all the way from up the mountain where we were down here. Look at that beautiful machine. Absolutely gorgeous. You need around about 200G in your pocket to buy something like that today. They're still rolling out the Holdens. Another beautiful Monaro. Look at that. Nice EH just went over there in the back street. It should come back around with a bit of luck. Commie ute over there. Here we go. Here comes the 1956 FE ute. I used to own one of those too. Beautiful. Commodore ute going around the corner on the roundabout. There's that Monaro going back down. Little boy races up there revving it up. Probably the safest way so you don't get your car impounded. To do burnouts you'll get it impounded. There's that beautiful Monaro over there again. I like that blue. A couple of my jobs I'm doing on the bench there are going to be that colour there. You'll see in a couple of videos. We do have quite a few builds coming up. We've got Memorial Day build coming up, and then the Saturday we've got a 56 pickup, and then the following Saturday we've got an Aston Martin, but in between we're going to do a couple of XL Falcon utes, and we're also going to do a few other bits and pieces. Now have a look at this. That's a beautiful EH Prem there. Look at it. Absolutely gobsmacking gorgeous. Hey, check that out. I don't see many of these around anymore. I bet a few of these in my day too. Absolutely mint. Geez, it looks mint. Don't get to see these that often anymore now because they're all hiding away in people's sheds. Absolutely gorgeous too. 179. You beauty.
Sell it to you, Tube.
Yours?
Yep.
Oh, look at that. They've even got the man that owns it. Absolutely gorgeous. This will be up on YouTube, on our YouTube channel.
Okay.
Can't ask for any better than that. Let's have a look. We'll just have a quick sticky beak inside there. Look at that. Still absolutely magic. Absolutely beautiful. Here we go. Now we've got a HR. HR's got the US racers on it. Beautiful looking machine. I had a few of these and all. Used to race. This is one of my first race cars, the HR Holden. It was only 7 years old when we put it on the track. Absolutely beauty. This is the special.
Was that all gone?
Absolute magic.
Devonport. My parents are in Devonport, so they're about
Absolutely gorgeous. At the rear Venetians. That's the Prem panel on the back there and along that window. And look at that, it's got the nice green interior inside and everything. Cracker vehicle. Absolutely. Here we go, we've got a nice Commie Ute, SS Ute. Over in the US you call these Pontiacs. Still racing that same shape design on the NASCAR at this current moment. So there we go. A nice little Calais Commodore here. Beautiful. Right. So we'll go back up here. Just go across the street up here. Man, he's going to turn around for us. Another Commodore. Beautiful. All Holden day today. So Holden on. We're going to find some more Holdens. Here's a beautiful EK FB. I didn't see the front going around the bend there. Another cracker VL Commodore. Actually might be a Calais, but it looks at that front eyebrow on that guard. It certainly is. Oh, excuse me. With Simmons rims on it. Wicked looking. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful vehicle. Absolutely magic. There we go. Another Calais there. There's two of them. There's the other one there, the gold rims. It's got the silver rims. Get a 1 tonner over there. 1 tonner Ute over here. Nice looking vehicle. Beauty. Same as old mate in front. The old Commodore. Nice angle of that Commodore, the VL on there. Done it up like a Group A replica. Nice. And then we've got this beast here. One of my favourite Commodores. I used to have one of these and absolutely ripped out. Beautiful car. Should have kept it. But anyway, when we're young blokes, when all that we're crazy to do is start swapping in the motor industry. In and out of cars like more than anything else. Absolutely gorgeous. Another nice little Tirana. Beautiful. That's the factory colour it came out in and all. Nice looking machine. Sounds of that, she's got a 308 on it, mate. Nice looking beast. And here we go. Here's your bigger version of your 1977 Lesney Holden Ute that they brought out in Matchbox back in the day. So here's the real deal. This is what the real one looks like. Just put some nice stripes up in there. Got dragways on it. Nice looking machine. So yeah. Right, folks. Thanks for joining us once again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll be bringing you some more on the next one. So take care. Look after each other. Bye for now.